So we're on a job in Putney in London. I just wanted to give you a bit of a quick walk round to show you what I've done so far. Got the apron flashing running through the top there. That's sat on Nickerson vent. There's literally vent everywhere on this roof. Got a chimney here, step flashings and back gutter in place. I've also made a little diverter down there to catch all the water to make sure it all runs into the gutter. Got another chimney here. Lead hips. Again, with Nickerson vent detail. Dormer apron, window tray, flashing through there under the eaves. Lead valleys. Another chimney here. Another lead hip. Lead valley on that side. Lead valley running down the front there. Lead ridge and flashing through the back. I've got a flashing detail on this front as well. And a flash into the abutment there with another diverter detail to catch the water into the gutter. So I'm getting to the end of this job now. So what we're going to be doing in today's video is finishing off this hip and this ridge detail. So I've got one more section to go in there, then I can get a saddle in place there and then run the ridge, which will then need a flash in, and it all needs to be joined up into that apron for the Nickerson vent as well. And then the last thing to do will just be to run this last lead ridge. Okay, that's the last section of lead hip in place now. I still need to turn it round the Nickerson vent, but I'm going to leave that for the time being because it's quite time consuming. I have already pretty much done this one. What I'm going to concentrate on first is getting the rest of this Leadworks on, because I've got the renderer coming in soon. So let's get this saddle done. Okay, that's that saddle in place now. So now that's done, I'll put the last two bits of ridge through. Okay, I'm just coming through with this ridge now. As you can see, I've got the first bit in place there. I've also made up the second section. That's all welded up, ready to go in. But I think before I do that, I'm just going to extend this chase, join all that up, then I'll put that ridge section in, then I can get the flashing in there and then get the last piece of apron in. Okay, that's that last piece of ridge put through now. I've also now put in the rest of that flashing. That's all nicely joined up. So the next thing to do, I think, would probably be to turn this hip into the Nicholson vent. I think I'll get all that turned, get all this completely finished, and then all that will be left to do is to run the last ridge. Okay, I've got that hip turned into the Nicholson vent now, all the way up on both sides. I just need to fold the clips over as well. I'll do that shortly. What I'm doing at the moment, I'm just making up all the sections for the last ridge. Got my front made up there as well. I'm just in the process now of making the back section, which I've got sat over here. That's all ready for welding. So I'll get that all welded up, then I can get that fitted. Okay, that's the last ridge fitted now. So that is job done. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. You can check me out on Instagram at slbleadworks. For inquiries, you can email slbleadworks@gmail.com. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. Hopefully catch you in the next. Cheers.